Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rahmadani, a student of Family Law major in Islamic State, Sunan Ampel, Surabaya, and I would like to talk about why the Prophet Muhammad married many wives. When Western people heard that the Prophet had many wives, they conclude without much thought that the Prophet was a samson man. However, a quick historical review of this marriage Prophet otherwise. When he was 25 years old, married for the first time. His wife, Khadijah, was 15 years old that she remained the only wife of the Prophet for the next 25 years until she died. May Allah be pleased with her. Only after her death, the Prophet married other women. Now, it is obvious that if the Prophet was after physical pleasure, he did not have to wait until he was more than 50 years old to start marrying more wives. I lived in a society in which it was quite acceptable to have many wives, but the Prophet remained devoted to his only wife for 25 years. When she died, she was 65 years old. His later marriages were for various reasons. Some marriages were with the fee to help the woman, with a fee to cement relationship with the followers like Abu Bakar, yet others were to bulk bricks with various trips were at war with the Muslim if the Prophet married did not take place. When the Prophet became their relative through marriage, their host is calmed down, and much bloodshed was averted. So in sentence, the Prophet Muhammad in terms of marriage is not only connected with looks but the Prophet, the protection of women in Arab was a person. Allah said in the Holy Quran, A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa min kulli shay'in khalaqna zawjaini la'allakum tadhkurun. It's man and everything man make in parts, that me might remember the greatness of God. Ad-Dariyat, verse 49. Sorry for the mistakes. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.